Hi everyone, welcome back to the Creative Corner. Let me ask you something. Have you ever lost an important file, a document, a family photo, a project you were working on and thought it was gone forever? Whether it was a system crash, accidental deletion, formatting, or even a corrupted external drive, losing data is one of the most frustrating experiences any of us can face. But what if I told you there is a way to bring that data back safely, easily, and without spending a fortune? So, in today's video, I am going to show you an in depth look at for DDIG Windows Data Recovery software, a tool that promises to help you recover over 2000 file types from various storage devices. And yes, up to 2 GB for free. We will walk through how it works, test it on our real recovery scenario, and see if it really lives up to the hype. So, whether you are just curious in a panic over lost files or looking for a good recovery options, you know you are in the right place. Right? First, download the 4DDIU Windows Data Recovery software. The link is in the description below. As soon as you install and open it, you will see an interface like this. On the left side, you will see different recovery options like hard drive, recover lost files from internal or external hard drives. SD cards recover data from memory cards, camera, phone, and so on. Video recovery specialized mode to recover deleted or lost videos. Cloud Drive restore files from connected cloud storage if supported crashed PC. Create bootable media to recover data from a system that won't start video socket, photo repair, corrupted videos, or images. Toolbox additional recovery and repair tools. In the middle section of the screen, you will see all the storage devices connected to your computer, including your local drives like C and D. Any external USB drives and additional options like recycle bin, select folder, and Windows backup. From here, you can simply select where you want to recover data from. Alright, let's get started with the real test. I have selected and permanently deleted a few different types of files from my computer, including images, audio files, videos, a PDF document, and even a Word file. They are not just in the recycle bin, I have emptied that too. So the data is completely gone from the system. Now we will see if 4DDIG data recovery can actually scan the drive and recover these files successfully. Let's jump into it. Now I am clicking on the select folder option, and from here I will choose the specific folder whether I had deleted the files earlier. This allows the software to scan only that location, which saves time and makes the recovery process faster. Now it asks what type of files you want to recover like photos, videos, audio or documents. You can select specific types to speed up the scan or leave everything checked to search for all files. You can see the software has started scanning the folders and it's now showing the progress. The scan is complete and it has found several deleted files that we can recover. As you can see, I have opened one of the pictures that was previously deleted, and yes, the software has successfully recovered it. Now it gives me the option to either select all or manually choose which files I want to recover. Once I have selected the files I want to recover, I just click on the recover button at the bottom. Now it asks me to choose as location to save the recovered files. As you can see, the recovered data has been successfully saved in the folder I selected earlier. All the files including the pictures, videos, document and audio that I had permanently deleted are now back and fully accessible. I can open them without any issue and they are working just like before. So that how you can easily recover permanently deleted files using 4DDIG data recovery. Whether it's photos, video, documents, or anything else, this tool really makes it simple. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.